Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can connect Shopify to your WordPress website. So here you can see that I am on my home page of WordPress. So in order to connect Shopify, you need to go to plugins and here search for Shopify. Click enter and then you need to install WP Shopify. Click on it. So here you can see a button upgrade and activate. Since I am using the free version of WordPress, so I can't see the activate button. But if you are using the paid version, you will see an activate button and this will activate your W by Shopify plugin, and here you will be able to connect and install Shopify to your WordPress website. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.